My name is Allie Levesque. I manage and own Beet Generation Farm with my wife Libby Batesel. This is my first beehive. It's kind of new to me. I just put on the second brood last week. The reason we use bees is besides the honey, because for me, I'm looking forward to kind of harvesting some honey. And the main reason why it's important that we have bees on the farm is for pollination. I don't know if you guys have ever seen, but when spring's starting, we have our squash blossoming. We have, at the end, it will form kind of like a small little taper end. And what happens if you don't have enough pollination, that's why you're getting that. And so we realized that we weren't getting enough pollination here, even though we thought we were, because we had a ton of, pollinators from just coming in and from the other bees. But we weren't getting the bees fast enough from the other farmers. So we decided, okay, this is the year we're going to get some of our own so they can get here and be here faster when the spring really needs them. So we got them, I would say, a few months ago. They're finally really, you can see obviously around me, they have tons of things they get from the farm as far as all the food that they need, as well as with the hedgerows. The nice thing about those flowers is they came on before a lot of the blossoms did. And so they were able to get food that they needed to keep going. And like I said, beekeeping is still really pretty new to me. I still have a lot to learn. The biggest thing is I'm just excited that we can finally break out from having someone else come in and do it and actually learning how to do it ourselves. Not only is it going to feed us with the honey, but feed all of our plants and orchard and our trees and all the vegetables as well.